Number 4. Product review. The Yogasleep Dohm Uno. White noise machine with real fan inside is an exceptional product that provides a soothing and uninterrupted sleep experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I have come across numerous sleep sound machines, and the Dohm Uno stands out from the rest. One of the standout features of this white noise machine is its powerful yet calming sound produced by the real fan inside. The sound is not only realistic, but also adjustable, allowing users to customize the tone and volume based on their preferences. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze or a low-level hum, the Dohm Uno can cater to your specific needs. Weighing just 1.25 pounds, this compact machine is designed to fit seamlessly into any bedroom decor. Its dimensions of 5.62 inches, 5.62 inches, 3.7 inches make it lightweight and portable.